It's very early in the morning, and I have the sudden desire to go and write in the woods. Nature is the biggest inspiration of all. Amidst the tranquil embrace of nature's beauty, I find solace and inspiration. The lush greenery, the vibrant colours, and the symphony of sounds provide the perfect backdrop for a creative journey. With a notebook in hand, and my mind brimming with intense curiosity, I venture into the heart of the natural world, the huge forest less than a 5-minute walk from me. I walk along winding paths, breathing in the crisp air, scented with earth and flowers. Each step brings me closer to hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. The rustling of leaves underfoot whispers tales of ancient wisdom, and the gentle sway of the branches overhead offer a comforting rhythm. There is an occasional rustling in the undergrowth as some animal watches us go past, rather tensely. The dogs become annoyed by its presence. They keep pausing and growling to let it know its presence is noted and unwelcome. It's already hot, so early in the morning. The flies, mosquitoes await me in the shadier areas of the forest. I find a secluded spot beneath a towering tree, its majestic branches reaching out like welcoming arms. I settle down on the bench, feeling the smooth wood against my legs, and I open my notebook to a blank page, ready to capture the essence of the natural world. The words flow effortlessly as I write. I also observe the dance of sunlight filtering through the canopy, casting ethereal patterns on the forest floor. I see the delicate petals of a wildflower, the way it catches the dewdrops like glistening jewels. The beauty all around allows me to paint vivid pictures with my words, capturing the vibrant hues of the forest and the intricate patterns the little birds make as they land nearby. But it is not just the visual splendor that captivates me. I close my eyes and listen to the symphony of nature, the melodic chirping of birds, the whispering of the trees, and the distant rustle of wildlife compose a harmonious orchestra. In my mind, I record the sounds, capturing the melodies and harmonies that seem to emerge from the very soul of the forest. And here I have my inspiration. In this serene setting, my writing senses are heightened, and my imagination takes flight. I become attuned to the subtleties and intricacies of the natural world, uncovering stories within stories. I find the metaphors and symbolism in the smallest of details. And through my writing, I breathe life into the landscape, infusing it with emotions and meaning. Hours pass unnoticed as I become ever more lost in my own creative sanctuary. Sometimes I pause to admire a breathtaking view, or to witness a little forest animal, perhaps a squirrel, dart past. Then the early morning begins. I am more interrupted with each passing minute by dogs and joggers and walkers and other people keen to enjoy the peace that the morning brings. And I begin to prepare to leave this enchanted realm. But even though I prepare to leave, I carry a piece of nature with me from this very morning. It's a profound connection that fuels my writing and ignites my imagination. For the writer, nature is not merely a setting or backdrop, it's an endless source of inspiration, a wellspring of creativity. I will return time and time again, seeking solace, beauty, and the raw essence of life. And as I weave my words into stories, and perhaps poems, I pay homage to the majesty and wonder of the natural world, inviting others to embark on their own journey of discovery in nature's embrace. Nature has always offered a canvas for writers and other creatives to express themselves, play around with their paints, their words, their canvases, as they immerse themselves in the sounds of rustling leaves and the touch of the wind. Their thoughts take flight, and they go into a world of their own. For me as a writer, I find it very interesting and a lot easier to write in nature. My pen flows more easily. The sound of the wind and the feeling of it against my skin is stimulating. One thing I'd always say to writers and other creatives is, if you're having trouble concentrating, you have writer's block, go for a walk, go into nature, go into the woods, walk by the sea, let your feet dangle in the water, and shortly after your inspiration comes back to life. I can guarantee it.